Hello everyone, my name is Rodrigo Lasso-Campo from Easy Training, and this is EasEnglish, your English learning program. This time I am going to present lesson 218 part 2, lesson 218 part 2 in Curso Básico level 1. You know, the title of this lesson is In the Mountains, and it is about some animals that live in the mountains. So in this part, we're going to be dealing with the activities of the lesson. Here we go. One activity consists in supporting the main idea of the lesson by drawing or pasting 4 pictures of animals that live in the mountains, and giving some details about those animals. Another consists in describing some animals living in the mountains by using adjectives. And the other is about naming some animals that live in the mountains and putting the names in alphabetical order. That is to say, there are 3 activities in the lesson. Let's go and do them. This is activity 1. It is about reading the main idea and then looking at these 2 animals and drawing or pasting 4 pictures in these boxes of animals that live in the mountains and giving details. The main idea reads that many animals live in the mountains. And here are 2 examples of 2 animals living in the mountains: a deer and a bear. So you and I should draw pictures or paste pictures of other 4 animals that live in the mountains, and then give some details about those animals. You do it, and I will do it. You see, here are 6 different kinds of animals that live in the mountains: an eagle, a fox, a bear, a deer, a chipmunk, and a rabbit. The writer describes eagles as being big and strong. Foxes are described as being small and sly. Bears are described as being big and hungry. Deer are described as being big and proud. Chipmunks are described as being small and striped. And rabbits are described as being small and furry. Then we can say that big, strong eagles live in the mountains. Small, sly foxes live in the mountains. Big, hungry bears live in the mountains. Big, proud deer live in the mountains. Small, striped chipmunks live in the mountains. And small, furry rabbits live in the mountains. Now we are going to combine those 6 sentences into one. We can say that big, strong eagles, small, sly foxes, big, hungry bears, big, proud deer, small, striped chipmunks, and small, furry rabbits live in the mountains. What other animals live in the mountains? Can you talk about that? Can you describe those animals? This activity is about describing animals by using adjectives here in this word bank. Here are 4 animals that live in the mountains, and here are their names. We are expected to describe them by using adjectives here in this box. 1 or 2 adjectives. And in addition, here are 3 lines that are intended for you and me to make a sentence about one animal that we draw or paste into this box. Obviously, we should use 1 or 2 adjectives to describe this animal, not necessarily an animal that lives in the mountains, and make a sentence about it. Let's do it. Here is my description. Big black bear. Beautiful eagle. Big proud deer. Small fox. Here I have pasted a ladybug, which I have described as being beautiful, red and black. Then I can say that beautiful red and black ladybugs live in grasslands and forests. Let me write that sentence for you. Here is my sentence. Beautiful red and black ladybugs live in grasslands and forests. What animal do you choose to draw or paste? And what do you write about it? Can you share your sentence with someone else? Okay, now let's turn to the next and last activity. You see there are 5 pictures of animals. And above the pictures are 5 boxes. Each box is numbered 1 through 5. The activity consists in naming each picture and then placing or pasting the pictures in these boxes in alphabetical order. This is a fox. This is a rabbit. This is an eagle. This is a chipmunk. And this is a deer. Then fox, rabbit, eagle, chipmunk, and deer are the words we're going to keep in mind to put in alphabetical order. Here I go. Here are the animals in the boxes according to the alphabetical order of their names. First is a chipmunk. Second is a deer. Third is an eagle. Next is a fox. And last is a rabbit. Does this order coincide with the order in which you place them? Well, dear students, that's all for now, I guess. It was really nice for me to talk to you. And quite soon, I'll be back with a new lesson. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.